boats.
Otherwise, this one's gonna explode.
Yeah, if it capsizes, it could explode.
What if it capsizes? It would make a big hole and sink into the water.
Maybe, yes.
Yeah, it always makes that.
But don't crash it deliberately.
Why do I don't crash it?
Because then it might sink and blow up. Then all the passengers will die.
Uh-oh. Could I make a hole in the bow and the bow fall off?
Yeah, if you crash it a lot, it might happen. Okay, go. Go around the bottle and come back.
But I don't know.
Go around the bottle and come back.
I think I'm gonna explode it.
Go around the bottle and come back.
No. That's dangerous. Can I sink it on bow?
No, don't sink it. Do not sink it, just drive it.
Oh no! He's gonna hit iceberg! Why not?
Just drive it, don't sink it.
No, I don't want it to. No, I don't want it to hurt this.
Okay, I will drive it.
Hey! No! See, it didn't explode. See, it didn't explode. We just hit it a little bit of the ship, but it didn't explode. Oh no!
Around the bottle and back. See?
Yeah!
Uh-oh, it's coming straight for you. It's going to hit you. It's going to crash. Okay, here.
Oh, see, it make like a hole.
Do you want it to have a hole and sink?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes,
But you're obsessed with sinking ships.
You almost hit it. You almost hit it that
I did hit the side of the pool with it.
Yes, but it didn't break.
It didn't break, yeah.
Yes, the side is strong, but the bow is weak.
The bow is strong in this one.
I didn't understand.
Just like the Titanic, the bow is strong.
Is this side weak?
Yeah, I think the sides are weak.
Is the stern weak?
Maybe, because it has a propeller under it, so it's pretty weak. If you go over the hot tub, it'll break on the tiles. You gonna keep playing? Or you wanna pack it up?
I think someone's gonna sink. No, please don't sink it. No.